Good morning, seniors. I am getting on here today to do a refresher on what you need to do for the November Xello lesson. Some of you think that you have completed it, but some of you have only done the assignment part and some of you have only done the lesson part. So I'm going to remind you of what that's supposed to look like. Log into PowerSchool just like you would with your username and password. The right-hand corner, you'll see that box with the arrow. Click the arrow. You will go to sign into Xello and it will show up looking similar to this. This just happens to be my page. You're going to scroll down to the right where it says November Xello Lesson 1. You are going to click on the actual document. It's going to download. It's also going to go through all the things that you're going to look at in the Career Backup Plans lesson. Once that is done, that is when you do the assignment. When you are finished with lesson number 1 about career backup plans, please complete the assignment by telling me, what are your career plans and backup plan? Complete your answer in the box on Xello like shown below and turn in. So I'm going to exit out of the document. I'm going to click done so I can go back and see where I am on the lesson. If yours looks like this, career backup plans with a green circle and a white check mark, you are done. If it still says get started or it has a resume button on career backup plans, you need to complete that. Then click on the assignment. I need to unsubmit this so you can see what it would look like. Type your answer here and click turn in. Once those two things are done, you have completed the November Xello lesson. If you have questions, please let me know and have a great day.